Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Samsung Galaxy A30s. So first, check cable and charger for damage and compatibility with your phone. Then flip your phone, and here on the bottom is the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools such as Q-tips, wooden sticks, or compressed air. Then you can test with another fast charger or outlet, and in the settings, type in update, and here we have software update, and click download and install. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.